Close to Dublin, one of the beautiful and quiet seaside is Brittas Bay. No free car parking available here. Have to pay fixed €4 and it will cover all day. It was a very sunny day in September. There is no bus service from Dublin, so you have to use your own transport. Lifeguard here most of the peak season. In winter, this place is empty. Even in very sunny weather, you can see there is only a few people. Surprisingly, you will see a lot of colorful stone here. No way I can swim in this cold water. This is the other side of the beach. Map showing from my home to Brittas. Me and my brother and my friends Abil went to in mid-July, a very beautiful sunny day. This is the perfect time and weather to hang around here. Blue sea in front of us. It's very amazing that season-wise you see color change. In winter is gray, in summer is blue, in spring is green. Nice clean beach. We have foldable chairs, air bed, toys to play with. Running in the water, playing with sand, we enjoyed a lot here. No shop nearby, so if you plan stay here long, make sure you brought your food. We built nice sand castles. If weather is good, it's really fun here. Every time I come here, it gets very excited and get wet. My friend Abil made his best sandcastle. The busiest day I've ever seen here. Though I came here many times, the location of this place, please see link in the description. Time to go. See you later in my next video.